You're paying $500 a month for a tool that calls the same APIs you could call yourself, and every time you hit enrich, you're burning credits like it's a casino. That's not a workflow, that's anxiety. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your own enrichment machine using Claude Code for 95% less. All right, let's go. My name is Sundar, and I'm the founder of MarketBetter.ai. We help SDRs stop guessing and start knowing who to call, who to email, and exactly what to say. And part of that, not paying $6,000 a year for something that you can build in one afternoon. Okay, let's be fair. Clay is a great product. The UI is beautiful, the integrations are real, but here's the problem. Clay is a middleman. When you enrich a lead, Clay is calling Apollo, Clearbit, Hunter, OpenAI, and charging you a markup. That's their business model. But if you're watching this video, let me show you how you can do it yourself. Here's what we're gonna build. A complete account research workflow. Not just names and emails, but real intel on each company. I've got 10 target accounts here, just company names. These are the accounts my AE wants me to work this week. Now watch this. I'm giving Claude Code one prompt. For each company research, what they do, their tech stack, from like job postings, any recent news or fundings, 2 key contacts, LinkedIn URLs for each, custom talking point for outreach. That's it, one prompt. Okay, I'm hitting enter. Now Claude is pulling company info, finding tech stack data, searching for recent news, identifying decision makers, grabbing LinkedIn profiles, and writing custom talking points. This is account research that would take an SDR maybe 30 minutes a day. I'm just doing it all in Claude Code. Now this is account research that would take an SDR 30 minutes per company. I'm doing 10 at once. All right, it's done. Let's open the output. Take a look at this. For each account, company, summary, tech stack, recent news, 2 contacts with LinkedIn, a talking point that I can use today. This isn't a template. This is actually real research, and I just did 10 accounts in about 5 minutes. Now let's talk about what makes this better. There's no credit anxiety. I ran 500 leads last week, and the total cost was about $18. In Clay, that's $100. You write the rules, you're not waiting for a feature request, and you own the output. CSV in, CSV out, forever. Now, the honest truth, Claude Code is really not for everyone. If you want a polished UI and done-for-you templates, Clay is probably right for you. But if you're paying out of pocket, or if you're a solo SDR or technical enough to write a prompt, then you're overpaying. And the skills you build doing this yourself will make you much more valuable than any tool ever will. Again, to recap, Clay is a great product, but it's a middleman. 50 leads, enriched, $2, same output, 95% less cost. And if you want to build this into your daily workflow, where you just open your dashboard and see, here's who to call today, here's why, that's what Market Better does. Link is below. And again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.